So, as you can see, the problem is not the runways. They can clear the runways in 15 minutes. It's just the taxiing the planes to the runways. Um, there was so much snowfall so fast that they just couldn't keep up. So that they can clear the runways in, you know, my understanding is like 15 minutes. It's just taxiing the planes. It's just getting the planes to the runway is the problem. As you can see, there's like mountains of snow out there, and but they're doing it. I've been here for 3 days or more. I can't even remember now. But yeah, that's what's happening right now. Denver International Airport.